Good morning. Just giving you a video so you can see what I'm up to. I'm currently using a local bean, a local roaster, Costa Rican blend. It's a fairly small bean in the hand. Pretty dry compared to others that I've had from them, not much oil in it. Loaded in the hopper. Normally I've been riding it at about 8 for the pour over. Previous beans I'd been using a Cameron's Scandinavian blend, also a Midwest roaster, and it was really good. It was kind of like coarse sand around 7 2/3. And I'm going to do this one at the 8 level. I've noticed that the output is much messier lately. I don't know if the static device is not working or not. And as you can see, this is not coarse sand. This is very fine. I'll put some in my hand so you can see it. It's, my estimation, much finer than it has been at the exact same setting. Let's get the Chemex set up. Hold on a second. Do the bloom. Typically I don't get much of a bloom off of coffee around here. We have very hard water. I'm living in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin, and the tap water is just extremely hard, so I usually don't get enormous bloom. Forgot to start my timer. It's probably been around 30 seconds, so I'll let it go just a little bit longer. Put about 200 grams in and just let it extract for a little bit so you can see the grounds as it goes out. Compared to what I was doing when I first got this grinder, the extraction is much slower through the finer coffee grounds, especially when you get into the second and third pours. It tends to muddy up pretty much. I'm just going to let that go down until you can see in the center what the grounds are like. Feels like I'm shooting a coffee doctor's video. And about 400 grams of water now. I'm doing a 50 grams of beans, 750 grams of water, which I believe is a 15-to-1 ratio. I generally do this in about 3 or 4 pours. I tend to not be pretty exact with my pours. Just look until I'm kind of at the top of the grounds and then let it go. Third pour. I'm just shy of about 600 grams right now. Let's do a final pour. We're as close to final pour as we can get. About 762 for water, so this is going to be final pour. Been using the metal filter ever since I got the Chemex. I've never used paper filters on this. Just a present from my wife that I've been using. It's been working fine for me. As far as extraction time, and I didn't even start the timer at the beginning, so this is why I think this is going slowly. This is why I think the grounds are too fine, even at 8 on the grinder. I didn't grind coarser than that today because I wanted you to see what an 8 grind did, and how long that took, and how fine that was. One of the things that was suggested in one of the videos that was sent was to run the grinder and then dial it back while it's running. And I think you can hear there's some kind of a catch in the middle, but there was when I turned it. I'll do that one more time. So 10. The catch seems to be gone now. Did that before. You can see there's still some residue that came out. Not exactly staying clean here. There's still more in the hot room. It seems to be stuck in there someplace. I don't know if that has to do with it or not. So that's my coffee extraction video. Thanks for whatever help you can give me.